I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You open YouTube Studio and go straight to Content so you can act now. Click the video you want to edit and select Editor. This places you where audio tracks are managed. Once in the editor, use the timeline to locate the audio you want removed. This is faster than downloading. Make sure you have a backup copy offline in case you need to restore. Doing this here allows YouTube to process changes without a full root-load, saving time and preserving stats. Now focus on removing the sound. Split the timeline around the segment if you only want part muted, or select the audio track to mute the entire file. If you prefer Replace, click Audio Replace and upload or pick a track from YouTube's library. This preserves video visuals. Once done, play the internal preview to confirm sync and levels. Make sure to adjust fades and volume for smooth transitions, because abrupt cuts can jar listeners and flag copyright checks. Finish by clicking Save Changes and accept that YouTube will process the edit. This can take minutes to an hour depending on length. Once processing completes, watch the public video from a logged-out or incognito window to verify the audio is removed and that lip sync or captions still match. If you notice problems, revert using your offline backup or reapply a corrected edit. Troubleshooting tip: if changes don't appear, clear browser cache, wait for processing, or rootload the corrected file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.